Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to evenly and properly color your own hair at home. Now if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to section your hair into 4. Starting from the apex, which is the highest point on your head that I'll be showing you right here. So from the apex down to the middle of your forehead, and then from the apex to the top of your earlobes. Ear, not earlobes, sorry. Twist your hair and then use a clamp to keep it in place. And then again on the other side, from the apex down to the tip of your ear, just like this. Twist that again. Make sure it's tight and secured. Not like this, it's falling off, so just clip that tight. And then instead of starting at the back, I'm gonna start on the front, you know, these 2 sections that we did. Why? Because I want the dye to deposit most on these parts. So if clamps just don't work like this, just tie it off and then work on the other side first, okay? Now do a really thin section. This is just going to be the same exact process up to the middle of your head. Twist that. Keeps on falling off because of my bangs. There you go. And then start dyeing from root to tip. Make sure you saturate it with the dye. Be generous with applying it, so you make sure that every inch is covered evenly. Now as for me, I'm still using a conditioner dye because I would love to have that freedom to change the color on a monthly basis if I have to without damaging my hair, instead of using a permanent dye, because semi-permanent dyes only last for 2 to 4 weeks, especially if you use shampoo every day. So what I do is only use shampoo once a week, and then for the rest I condition it for at least 10 minutes, keep it in there, put a hair cap on. And for at times that you don't want to wash your hair, be sure to have a paddle brush, the one with boar bristles in it, and then comb down the sebum of your hair, so you can use your hair's natural oil to take care of your kind of damaged dry hair because of the bleach, okay? Now make sure you have every hair covered, and then run through your fingers from root to tip every time you're gonna do this. And please be patient on applying this to your hair, running your fingers to it up to the tip while doing really thin sections, so you can make sure that everything is evenly coated. That's basically the secret to evenly dyeing your hair, coloring it, you know. Patience and a lot of hair dye. So we're basically going to be doing the same exact thing up to the middle, and same thing goes on the other side. parting your hair and tying it down and securing it real good will make your life so much easier. We're on to the last section. And yeah, it's really exhausting, especially if you're gonna be doing this by yourself. And as you can see, it's very pink. And if there are any parts you missed, be sure to go back on that later on or as soon as you can. And on the back, I'm just doing one section, especially that I already have like the lower half of my head shaved and it's really short. I mean, it already got longer technically. And just do the same thing you did on the sides, parting it thinly. Make sure to dye and comb your fingers through your hair for every section. It'll be easier to do this alone if you have a mirror in front of you and on your back, so you can see the back of your hair. Or if you have a long hair, you can also just pull it to the front of your face or on the sides. But in this case, it's actually hard to see it on the back, especially that I have really bad eyesight. So some of these parts I'm just doing it by feel, and just make sure you saturate everything. And again, run your fingers from root to tip. And once you're done with your whole head, be sure to go back and just double check it for any spots that you might have missed, and then just cover that again. You know, you will not lose anything from going back and just putting more dyes, more color into it. I'm even putting more colors on my huge ass forehead. Because maybe it'll bring my, hairline down an inch lower. And I did not achieve that, so here it is, my fake pink forehead. Which will wash out later on. And again, please excuse my mouth if it's saying a different thing from what I'm saying right now. But what we're gonna do next is put a hair cap on so that we can lock in the moisture inside that cap, so every strand of hair can absorb every dye that we put on our hair. And then again, double check everything, especially the back, because that's the hardest part to do, especially if you're doing this alone. And if you think it's already, all good and covered, put the hair cap on. As for me, the instructions said to leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour, but what I'm trying right now is to leave it on for 2 hours instead, so we can see if the hair could absorb more if we keep that on for a longer period of time. And of course, while we are waiting for that, do not forget to hit on like, subscribe, and comment down below what color you think I should do next. Or if you have any questions, of course, on what we're doing right now. Please feel free to put that down below, or hit me up on Instagram at it's me mavmav, okay? Also, if you have any suggestions on what videos to do next, let me know. My mouth is moving so weird with what I'm saying right now. It really does not match. We'll just rinse this off real good. Let it dry. Style it if you want to. Then, you're all good. Alright, there you have it. Here's the result. Bubblegum pink, definitely. Pretty even. And happy with it. That's how you color your hair alone at home. Just one color, and if you're planning to do an ombre, you can do just what I'm doing right now. Just coloring everything first with whatever color you want down here, and enjoy it first. Keep it for a while, and then once you're sick of it, maybe in like 2 to 4 weeks, you can color the upper part. As for me, I'm gonna color this red right here up to around here, and keep the pink down here. And of course, if I'm gonna do that, I'm definitely gonna be showing you how to. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video, liked it, or at least learned something from it. And if you did, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below, or hit me up on Instagram at it's me mavmav. Have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye! And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please and it's me, mavmav. Have a good one. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.